Hello and good evening. You're watching TMB News. I'm ANJU SUKHAM. Let's have a look at the top stories of the day. A Special Prevention of Money Laundering Act court here has taken cognizance of a money laundering charge sheet filed by the Enforcement Directorate against two arrested cadres of the United National Liberation Front (UNLF), a banned terrorist outfit of Manipur. The charge sheet was filed on December 12 against Thokchom Gyaneshwar alias Thoiba alias Sidabamapu and Laimayum Anand Sharma alias Ingba, the federal agency said in a statement. A Special Prevention of Money Laundering Act court in Delhi took cognizance of this charge sheet on Wednesday, it said. The two persons were arrested by the ED on October 16 and they are in judicial custody at present. The UNLF was established in 1964 with the aim of making Manipur independent from India. The terror outfit also has an armed wing called Manipur People's Army. It was banned by the Union government in 2004. Gyaneshwar, as per the ED, is a self-styled Chief of Army Staff and Secretary External and Regional Affairs Department of the outfit. Sharma is a self-styled intelligence officer of UNLF. The money laundering case stems from a July 2023 FIR and two charge sheets filed by the National Investigation Agency (NIA) this year in a case related to a transnational conspiracy hatched by Myanmar-based leadership of terror outfits active in the northeastern states to exploit the ethnic unrest in Manipur, to wage war against the government of India and execute terrorist attacks, thereby exacerbating the security situation in Manipur. The probe found that huge funds were raised and collected by UNLF cadres from general public and business persons from Manipur by threatening them by way of unauthorized collection and extortion of toll taxes at various national highways, etc., the ED said. Cadres of UNLF also carried illegal weapons while making such demands to threaten the general public. The funds raised through collection or extortion were collected in cash to escape the scrutiny of law enforcement authorities, the ED said. The funds were raised by UNLF as part of a larger conspiracy and were utilized in a planned manner on recruitment and training of UNLF cadres, acquisition of illegal arms and ammunition, arranging logistics and maintenance of the organization and its camps, as well as individual expenses of the cadres, it said. The agency said analysis of digital devices seized from the two cadres stated that they were actively involved in raising of funds, preparation of budget and acquisition of illegal arms. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh on Thursday met with representatives of Maram Students' Union at the Secretariat. Taking to acts, N. Biren said representatives of the Maralui Karalimai Swijoykang Maram Students' Union visited him at the Secretariat today. They had a meaningful discussion and he greatly valued their dedication to the welfare and development of the student community. He also honored by their invitation to attend the 42nd General Conference of the Maralui Karalimai Swijoykang, scheduled to be held at Maram Bazar village from January 10 to 13, 2025. He heartfelt wishes to the Union for success in all their efforts towards the growth and empowerment of their community, CM Biren added. Manipur government has informed that the Ministry of Home Affairs has reimposed protected area regime in the state, including Nagaland and Mizoram. A late-night statement issued by Manipur government informed, in light of growing security concerns arising out of influx from neighboring countries, the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India has reimposed the protected area regime in the states of Manipur, Mizoram and Nagaland. With this reimposition, the movement of foreigners visiting Manipur will be closely monitored and they are required to obtain the necessary protected area permits in accordance with the Foreigners Protected Area Order 1958. The state government also took notice of the warning by an organization named Cookie Zo Council, which asked Chief Minister N. Biren Singh not to travel to Senapati district to attend a cultural program by passing through Kangpopi district by road. It stated, upon investigation, it has been found that no such organization, Cookie Zo Council, exists in Manipur. The origin and authenticity of this group are highly questionable. there is no district by the name Lamka mentioned as a headquarters in Manipur. This raises strong suspicions regarding the external origins of such organizations that appear to operate outside legal and administrative frameworks, it said, adding, police are actively looking into this matter and an FIR will be lodged to ascertain the true nature and intent behind such misleading activities. The government also advised the people to exercise caution and not to pay heed to statements or claims from organizations of dubious origins which have been surfacing recently from the apparent intention of creating confusion and unrest. Asserting the government remains committed in maintaining peace and harmony in the state, it also advised the citizens to remain vigilant and trust only credible sources of information. The government further urged the media fraternity, both national and local media houses, to refrain from giving publicity to such press releases from unauthorized organizations or individuals and appealed the central government and its agencies to disregard such claims from unverified organizations. The government will not tolerate any action that threatens to disrupt the peace process, it said. Manipur Congress on Thursday staged a protest in Imphal against the alleged insulting remarks to B.R. Ambedkar by Union Home Minister Amit Shah in the Parliament, as well as on the alleged assault on Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge. State Congress President Kaisham Kachan Rathore reporters we strongly condemn the insult remarks to Ambedkar, who is the father of the Constitution, by Amit Shah. We are protesting as part of the nationwide protest against the insulting remarks.
India की मफम कुदी मक्ता स्टेट कुदी मक्ता कोई नहीं काय कुन्ना जरी बा मसुम लाली बसे पांगला करीम कथाई नजर पार्लियामेंट हाउस ता मसी ngang amasu insult to potche कोई नुआइते मसी दमक्ता कंडेम तवी मदुगी दमक्ता मणिपुर प्रदेश कांग्रेस कमिटी ना amasu मसी की लीडर्स वर्कर्स में आमना कोई मसी प्रोटेस्ट से कंगला ममांग से तो गेबनी लोइना कोई की असिकुमबा मसिकुमबा अनडिमोक्रेटिक कोबा अन अदिकी पार्लियामेंट
in front of Kangla Fort. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh on Thursday informed that the Sushasana Saptah Good Governance Week was launched at the Cabinet Hall of CM Secretariat. Good governance is the cornerstone of progress and development. Through this week, we aim to reaffirm our commitment to serving the public with efficiency, integrity and fairness, Singh said in a post on X. Indefinite relay hunger strike by Uripok Apunmaluk, demanding arrest of Kuki and Mar militants involved in Jiribam killings, entered 34 days. Kanglepak News Tengbang Loop extends financial assistance of Rs 22,000 to Hayam O Tambi Macha Devi of Khabam, Haibum Makom, who is undergoing medical treatment at Mother's Care Hospital. A new patient transport ambulance was handed over to the Chief Medical Officer of Churachandpur, Dr. Banlal Kungi, during a ceremony held today at the Mini Secretariat campus. The Deputy Commissioner of the district, Shri Dharun Kumar S., officiated the event and presented the keys of the much-needed vehicle to the CMO. In his speech, the Deputy Commissioner emphasized the importance of the ambulance for the medical department, particularly for the hard-working doctors in remote primary health centers. He highlighted the necessity of a robust emergency referral transport network to ensure an effective emergency response system. I hope this will enable the medical department to provide quality services to the people, considering the medical and healthcare needs of those in remote areas, he stated. The patient transport ambulance was procured through the Border Area Development Program funded by the Ministry of Home Affairs. Several dignitaries attended the event, including the Project Director of DRDA, Jemson Senlal Hangsing, Mangminthang Gangte, AC to DC, and officers and staff from the Health Department and the Deputy Commissioner's Office. Security forces recovered at least 3 rifles during search operations and area domination in Bongbal Kolen in Imphal East District on Wednesday, a police statement informed. 2 SLR rifle, 1 INSAS rifle with magazine, and 5 number of 5.56 live ammunitions were recovered during the operations, they said. Security forces busted 2 underground organization camps while conducting cordon and search operations in Imphal East District, police said on Thursday. At Makau Paurabi, a hideout of the band Kanglei Yawal Kannalup KYKL was busted on Wednesday, during which 1 airgun, 1 mobile handset, 1 bulletproof helmet and uniforms were recovered. Another training camp of the proscribed pre-park was also destroyed, during which 1 INSAS LMG magazine, bayonet, 5 wooden dummy guns, 2 walkie-talkie sets, fired cartridges and incriminating documents as well as other articles were also recovered. In another development, police arrested 9 cadres of the banned militant outfit Kanglei Park Communist Party People's War Group during the last 2 days for involvement in extortion activities. On Wednesday, from Manjipukri Bazaar area in Imphal East District, police arrested 2 active members of KCP PWG who were involved in extortion activities from the general public, private firms, government offices and recovered 2 demand letters of the outfit KCP PWG, 16 cash receipts, notes of the outfit KCP PWG group and other articles. 6 cadres of KCP PWG organization were also arrested from Bijoypur, Mamang Lekai and Makha Lekai in Kokching district on Wednesday. On Tuesday, police also arrested 1 cadre of KCP PWG from Tangkul Avenue area in Imphal West. The cadre has been involved in extortion activities from the general public, shops, beauty parlors or spas located in and around Tangkul Avenue area, they said. This is TMB News. Thank you for watching.